Hi, this is Michael Meyer, residential broker at Sotheby's International Realty and principal of Meyer Capital. We buy apartment buildings in Florida and Texas. Let's jump in and talk about, first of all, what's happening in the real estate market. This is going to be an exciting monthly wrap up, so let's jump in quickly. First of all, what's happened in the last 30 days in terms of the number of properties that are on the market for sale? This is a very big story you're probably going to be hearing about. There are currently 713 new listings that have come onto the market in the last 30 days. Now, why is that a big deal? It's a big deal because it's 30% less, 31% less than we had 30 days before. Usually, we would have had around this time of year 943 properties that came onto the market, and we've only had 713. Now, on the demand side, the number of properties that are in contract over the last 30 days, we've had 844 properties that have gone into contract. Now, that's down also. It's down 4%. It's nowhere near, though, down the 31% on the supply side. So what's the big talking points that you might be hearing and that I should interpret for you? First of all, you're going to hear people saying it might be a strong seller's market because there's buyers out there and around the same buyers as we normally have, and there's so many less opportunities for them. There's so much less supply than they would normally see at this time of year. So you might hear people saying when you look at that ratio, it's a supply constrained market, which makes it a seller's market. And that is true. But I think also to keep in mind, it's not that you're seeing multiple bidding wars happening across the market and that sellers are rushing to list their property because there's so many buyers out there bidding to bidding. But definitely there's a lot of positive things to say about it. So take a look at the numbers, of course. And what I want to share with you on a personal anecdotal level is that we are definitely seeing properties go into contract. Over the last couple of weeks even, I'll just give you a few examples. We have a property that's going into contract now in the $4 million range. We have another one going into contract that's in the $2 million range. And then we have a few others that are just in contract at the moment. So we're definitely doing deals. We are doing business. If you're thinking about selling, we should be talking immediately because the market's going to open up now in a couple of weeks and we need to get ready. So I have listings that we are now getting photos taken, getting staging, and getting them ready. So if you want to talk, we definitely should, and we can talk about where we think the trajectory of the market is, when's the right time for you. If you want to talk further about the real estate market in New York City, if you want to talk about selling your property, if you want to talk about buying, if you want to talk about renting, if you want to talk about potentially making money together in multifamily investing, then please reach out to me. And if you just want to reach out, say hi, and tell me what amazing things you did this summer, that would be just as awesome. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching this video.